Hello friends, welcome to Bodhi Stage.
Hello friends, today class is about classification of numbers. Let's start. Classification of numbers. We classify numbers in three parts: real number, imaginary number, complex number. Real number is further divided in two parts: integers and decimals. Integers are divided in three parts: negative integers, 0 and positive integers. Let's talk about decimal. Decimal is divided in two parts: terminating and non-terminating. Non-terminating is further divided in two parts: repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating. Also, we discussed about whole number, natural number, and natural number divided in two subparts: prime number and composite number. Now let's talk about all this classification of numbers in a deep manner. Classification of numbers. Real number. In Hindi we can say वास्तविक संख्या. Second one, imaginary number, काल्पनिक संख्या, complex number, सम्मिश्र संख्याएं. Imaginary number, for example, I equals to under root minus 1. I sign is iota. Complex number, r plus I equals to 5 plus 3i. R is a real number, I is an imaginary number. Complex number, सम्मिश्र संख्या, is a combination of real number and imaginary number. Now, talk about real number, वास्तविक संख्या. Real numbers divided in two parts: integers and decimals. Integers पूर्णांक संख्या, decimals दशमलव संख्या. Now let's talk about integers. Integers number we can define in a number line: 0, minus infinity, plus infinity. 0 to plus infinity 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 0 to minus infinity minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It's a negative integers. This is positive integers. In the middle, 0. 0 is neither a positive nor negative. Now talk about whole numbers. पूर्ण संख्या. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to positive integers comes under whole numbers. And natural numbers, प्राकृत संख्याएं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to positive infinity comes under natural numbers, प्राकृत संख्या. Natural number divided in two parts: prime number, composite number. In Hindi, prime number called अभाज्य संख्याएं, रूढ़ संख्याएं, and the composite number called in Hindi भाज्य संख्याएं, यौगिक संख्याएं. Prime number divided by 1 as well as same number, and composite number divided by more than 3 numbers. For example of prime number, we talk about 2. 2 is divided by 1. 1 2s are 2, and divided by the same number, it means 2 divided by 2. If we talk about 3, 3 divided by 1 and the same number 3. So have exact 2 dividend. Talk about composite number. Composite number divided by more than 3 numbers. For example, if we talk about 4, 4 firstly divided by 1, second divided by 2, and the third divided by the same as well, 4. So 4 have 3 dividend. Talk about 6. 6 divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 3, and divided by the 6. 6 have more than 3 dividend. That's it. I hope you understand in today's class classification of number. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel.